Hi guys, how are you? Happy Monday! I hope all of you are doing well today. So ako, ito, papunta na pala ng school and my husband is going to send me to school. Ayan, ano pa lang. Anong oras na? Ang klase ko pang hapon. Afternoon shift. So, dahil ang asawa ko ay house husband, wala yung ginagawa. Petics mode siya for almost a month now. Kaya, ayun, hatid sundo na naman niya ako. Dati kasi commute lang ako. And, isa yun sa mga rants ko sa kanya kasi sobrang layo ng bahay namin, no? From school. So, hirap na hirap talaga ako bumiyahe. Like, to the point na kakaligo mo pa lang, papasok ka, magko-commute, maglalakad ka muna, then, alam mo yun, makikipagpatintero sa daan, maghihintay ng sasakyan, tagaktak talaga yung pawis ko dahil. So, I am so glad. Not really glad kasi yung asawa ko house husband for now. But he's going to be very, very busy soon. Kaya, I'm really happy kasi natin sundo na niya ako. Hindi ko na nararamdaman yung papasok pa lang ako, pagod na ako. Pagod. Ayun lang. So, I am so grateful. One of the many things that I am grateful nowadays is being with this kind of husband. Wow! Compliment yarn. Hindi siya happy. With this kind of husband, masungit. So, yun lang guys. I hope you all are doing well. Just a little update. Though I know you won't care. Update lang sa mga bagay-bagay. Wala na akong magawa.